Finally, Washington witnessed another political explosion. That's our last segment, ladies and gentlemen. During a Senate Judiciary Committee hearing, Mr. Kash Patel, the Indian origin FBI chief, faced intense questioning over his controversial remark and his potential leadership role inside America's top law enforcement agency. The hearing quickly turned into a political showdown. Those supporters described Mr. Patel as a tough figure willing to challenge America's powerful institution, but critics accused him of being too controversial for such a sensitive role. And once again, America looked deeply divided. That division is becoming one of the defining stories of modern US politics. Because while America faces global tension abroad, political polarization at home is also growing stronger. Public trust in institutions, media, and political leaders have become increasingly divided between Republicans and Democrats. And many around the globe, they are watching Washington very, very carefully, wondering that can America manage both internal political battles and rising global crises at the very same time? But you know what really triggered this debate? Well, during a Senate Judiciary Committee hearing, Senator Chris Coons questioned Mr. Kash Patel that when he was US President, Mr. Donald Trump's nominee for FBI Director, well, was he loyal? During the hearing, Mr. Kash Patel, he defended his ability to lead America's top law enforcement agency and responded to all the criticism over some of his past controversial remarks. In the meantime, global rivals closely are observing America's political division here and sometimes use them to their own strategic advantage. Well, the world is entering a dangerous phase. Tonight's story, they may look very different on the surface. Iran, China, Israel, Pakistan, America, disease outbreaks and spy allegations, but together they reveal one thing. The world is becoming more unstable. Global tensions are rising at the very same time. Military pressure, nuclear fear, economic uncertainty, political division, health scare. And history shows something dangerous. When too many crises happen together, even one small spark can trigger something much bigger. And that is why tonight the world feels nervous, because nobody knows what the next few months could bring. What? A diplomatic breakthrough or a larger global confrontation? Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dhriti Yatri. This is Skyline. If you found this report important, share with somebody who needs to understand how quickly the entire world is changing. Because tonight, global tensions are no longer distant headlines. They are shaping the future in real time.